Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Are you ready toddlers? Do you want to learn the animal names? The first one is elephant. E is for elephant. This is elephant. E is for elephant. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. R is for rabbit. The next one is a panda. P is for panda. This is a rhino. R is for rhino. This is a giraffe. G is for giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cheetah. C is for cheetah. This is a dog. D is for dog. This is a peacock. This is a lioness. This is a lion king.